Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of a and b if we have a square minus b square equals to 64 and ab equals to 8, and we solve this problem for the values of a plus b. So here we need to just find the values of a plus b. So for this we just solve this problem with the help of this algebraic formula. You know about that. In order to find the value of a plus b, we use this formula. We know that a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab. So for the value of a plus b, we use this formula and we call this is our equation number 1. So you see here we have the value of ab is 8, but we need to find the value of a square plus b square. So for the value of a square plus b square, we use here another nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equals to 4 times of ab. So here we need this nice formula, but we just write this formula into the form of a square and b square. But if we can write again this formula in terms of a square and b square, it will be written as a square plus b square and its whole square minus this term will be written as a square minus b square and its whole square is equals to 4 times of a square and b square. So here we just replace this a and b is equals to a square and b equals to b square. Okay, and you get this form. And now here our target is to find the value of a square plus b square. So that's why we need to move this value to the right hand side. So our this formula is written as, or in other words, you just substitute all these values here. So first we move this value to the right hand side and it will be written as a square plus b square and its whole square is equals to, this is negative term, when we move it into the right hand side it will becomes positive and it will be written as a square minus b square whole square plus, we write this 4 times of a square and b square as in this form. This is 4 times, we combine the square of these two terms and it will be written as 4 times of ab whole square. So we already have the value of a square minus b square and ab. So if you see into the given question statement, we have the value of a square minus b square is 64. So we replace this value equals to 64 whole square, and we have the value of ab is 8. So we put it here, it will becomes 8 square, and we easily get the values are. So we know that 64 square is equals to 4096 plus, here we have 8 square becomes 64 and it is multiplied by 4. So here when we sum up these values it will be written as 4096 plus 4 times 64 equals to 4 4 the 16, we write 6 and carry 1. 4 6 are 24, 24 plus 1 becomes 25. So here in the next step we need to sum up these two values and we get here 6 plus 6 becomes 12, we write 2 and carry 1. 9 plus 5 becomes 14, 14 plus 1 becomes 15, we write 5 and carry 1. So this is 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 1 becomes 3, and this is our 4. So here we easily get the value of a square plus b square and its whole square is equals to 4, 3 and 5, 2. So for the value of a square plus b square, we need to apply here the square root on both of the sides. So when we apply square root, it will be written as in this form. This 2 and this square root are gone, and we will get here a square plus b square is equals to square root of 4, 3, 5, 2. So here we rewrite this side as, we write 4352 as 17 multiplied by 256, and we know about that the square root of 256 becomes 16. So we write this term as 16 times of square root of 17. So this is the value of a square plus b square. So now here we need to copy down equation number 1, so that our this equation number 1 is implies that so here we first copy down equation number 1 here. So this will be written as a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab. So here we substitute this value of a square and b square, so it will be written as 16 times of square root of 17 plus the value of 2 times of ab is we have the value of ab is 8. We substitute it here. Okay, and now further in the next step we have this will be written as 16 times of square root of 17 plus 8 times 2 becomes here 16. So you see here both of these two terms involve 16, so we will take common 16 from here and we get the remaining values are 1 plus square root of 17, and in the left hand side we have this is a plus b whole square. So here our target is to find the value of a and a plus b. So for the values of a plus b, we need to remove the square sign from left hand side. Now for this we apply this square root sign on both of the sides. And you see here this 2 and the square root are gone, and we will get here a plus b is equals to, here you know that we need to apply the square root sign separately on both of these values, and it will be written as square root of 16 into square root of 1 plus 17 square root. Okay, here we get our final answer of this question is that a plus b is equals to, we know that square root of 16 is equals to 4 times of this is 1 plus square root of 17. So this is the our final value of a plus b in this question, and this is the our requirement in this question. Okay, so this is the our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.